What's up, girls? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get beautiful, soft, elongated, perfectly shaped brows using two products. Motives Cosmetics Essential Brow Kit and their Precision Liquid Liner. Just two products, very, very simple. So if you want to find out how you can get beautiful, soft, model looking brows like so, then baby boo, stay watching. Okay, so we're going to be starting off with the Motives Eyebrow Palette, and it looks like this, okay? So it's got 3 shades. We're going to be starting off with the darkest shade just here, and you will need an eyebrow brush that is very, very thin so that we can add nice, fine, thin precision strokes to the brow. So we're going to be starting just from the middle of the brow. Okay, you don't want to go too close here because we don't want it to be harsh. So I'm just going to start right here from the middle. Okay, we're going to draw a line all the way up to the arch. Once you get there, we're going to turn down and taper off towards the tail, just like so. Now we're going to do the top. Okay, so you want to go from the top, go all the way up to the arch, create a parallel line, and then turn it down and down to the tail like so. Okay, so don't worry about this part. We're going to leave it and we're going to create lines around it with foundation and concealer so that the whole brow looks elongated and snatched. From here, we're just going to fill in the brow, and it's really good to use powder, especially if you're a beginner, because it doesn't require as much control and precision. It's very easy to apply powder, okay? And it's also very, very easy to clean up. So what you want to do is just go ahead and fill it all the way in. Keep it really nice and full all the way down to that brow point, making sure that the brow point is really nice and filled in. Okay? Just like so. Okay, now what I'm going to do is go in with this middle color right here, okay, which is a soft, almost taupe bone color, and I'm going to use that color to fill in the head of the brow to keep it really soft, and then we're going to create a nice, beautiful gradient ombre effect. So just go ahead, same thing, use very small strokes just to go ahead and fill in the head of the brow. Okay, so now your brow should look something like this. So what you want to do is have these two lines, top and bottom parallel, coming all the way up to the arch and then tapering off at the end so that they're nice, elongated, arched, and just beautiful, darling, beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to add a few hair strokes right at the end because I like my brows to look really dark at the ends. This step is not necessary, but if you want to do it just to be a little bit extra, then you can do it. Now I'm going in with a black Motives, this is actually a liquid liner pen. All right, so all I'm going to do is, I like this one because it's very, very thin at the end and it can give me nice little hair strokes. So I'm just going to go here, starting at the middle, and I'm just going to lightly give myself little hair strokes. So from the arch, I want to come down, okay? Now you may not be able to see that on camera, but I am giving myself nice, beautiful, soft hair strokes. Okay? Just from the middle of the brow all the way down, like so. Okay, next step, you want to go in with some concealer or eye base. And I'm using this one by Motives Cosmetics. You'll need a synthetic flat brush. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to go right under here, okay, and then coming down to the arch so that we can make this line look really, really precise. This color is called Amber, so let's do it. when you're done, it should look something like this on both sides. Now, the trick when you're doing the concealer is not to use too much product, okay? If you have too much product, then it's going to add a lot of residue under the line. You're not going to be able to get that precise shape. And also, you don't want to have too little, okay? So you just want, build up the product just a little bit and then go under just with little strokes so that you can get that beautiful, nice, clean line. And that's how it should look. Now I'm going to go in with foundation and I'm going to do exactly the same thing that I've done at the bottom, but I'm going to do it at the top. Okay, I'm just going to come over the top and then bring it down. Now I'm using Motive's Liquid Illuminating Foundation. I'm just going to put a little bit here and that's going to be enough for both sides. All right, let's do it. Now, once you finish with adding the foundation, okay, I forgot to tell you that we use foundation up here because we want it to be able to blend into the forehead. We don't want to use something that's really thick and really light, okay? You want it to be the same color as your foundation that you're going to blend into the rest of your forehead. Now, when you finish it, should look something like this, okay? So I like my brows fairly dark at the ends and I like them soft at the front. Now see what it looks like this from afar and this up close. When we add our makeup, honey, you are just going to have the most amazing looking, beautiful, gorgeous, snatched brows ever. And that brings us to the end of this brow tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and if you need any help, then sound off on the comments below. Until our next tutorial, love and blessings and peace to you, baby girl. Bye-bye.